Well, that was an expense I didn't really want to spend, but I just figured we're going to be doing probably 3,000 miles at least. Had a bit of a slow puncher, so I thought, what the hell, just get it done, I don't have to worry about it then, do I? Oh, lovely jubbly. Right guys, so this will just be a bit of a teaser, as I've said before. So tomorrow, up nice and early, get all the bike loaded up with the gear, get back to the gaff. Now we're going to print off all the documents. I'm going to show you everything we're taking, clothes, documents, chargers, you know, leads, all kinds of stuff that's going to make this trip go a little bit easier should something go wrong. We've got to take a little toolkit just in case any of these little bolts come loose, because this is a very vibey bike. What temperature we're on now? Trip, range, info, 34 degrees. That's not right, that. I reckon it's about 29, 30. And then yeah, nice. It's scheduled for a bit of rain tomorrow, so we can give the waterproofs a bit of a test. But this is the sort of weather we want, 100%. I can feel that air getting hot already. Oh. Off we pop. What do you do to me? Some draft in that jacket. So, bit of a change from last time, innit? I went on the GSXR 750. My dad went on his Hayabusa, and Tom went on the Triumph Sprint ST. And now I'm going on the XR, Dad's going on his GS, and Tom's going on his Triumph Tiger 800, loaded up to death. So we're all ready to go. Fuck, it's warm. Oh my fucking god, mate. Get out of this fucking country. I was going to sneak in then, but the car come in. So anyway, back to the topic at hand. New tyres fitted, all good. So I'm going to try and keep the budget, 14 days, hotels, food, blah 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 blah, 1,500 quid. We'll see how it goes. About 10,000 litres of water. So anyway, if I haven't told you already, plan of action. So we live in Manchester, or Greater Manchester, in Bury, lad, belting. So tomorrow morning we're going to be up super early, packing the bikes down, or up. We're leaving about 10 o'clock, no motorways if we can help it, down to Dover, got a hotel stay in Dover for the night, nice early sunrise in the morning, get on the train super early, get into France, early doors. We're going to come across past Paris and down over the Millau, get down to Saint-Tropez, Monaco, Saint-Tropez, into northern Italy. We're going to go Stelvio Pass, up into Austria, then we're going to go west into Switzerland, do the passes, the Grimsel, the Furka, the Susten. There's a couple of places we want to hit, then we're going to do the Black Forest, up through Germany, and then stretch that out over 2 weeks. And then if anything changes on the government guidelines where we've got to quarantine when we come back, we'll either go back through Calais and up through England, or the more likely will probably be we'll go to the Hook of Holland and then come back to Hull, and then it's only an hour then from Hull to Manchester. That's the plan of action. So let's get myself home, let's get the bag packed up. Now, study, waterproofs, GoPro shit, phone chargers, leads, you name it, it's in there. Got some masking tape, polish, chain cleaner, rags, toolkit, all my bike documents. City! Wait, it's a bit tight to be fair, I'm not gonna lie. It's a bit snug. She's glowing. How much for yours, Tom? Oh, mister, I've got fucking loads of dough, yeah. 9 quid. Go on then, pay for mine for me, I'll ping you. Number 8 trunkish, 16 quid. Smart, 15.99. See you in a bit. Right, that's all the faffing out of the way, so to speak. Now, where are you at? Watch that bar fill up, mate. Go on, lad. Yes. So we're going to have a quick fuel stop now, which we've done. Should give me, what's the range on that bad boy? 155 miles, but that'd be a lie. It should be more than that, especially on the motorway if you're doing the A1. So we're going to get down to Dover, stay in the hotel. Of course I will. Right, I'll tell you what, right, I've got 8,008 miles on my clock. So yeah, we're going to get down to Dover, rapido. Probably take us about 10 hours. Let's go. Right, see the latest people, so get a coffee. Because he parks it right outside like a full-on Sniffington. Could be back in window there, mate, sick. What a machine. Oh shit. Oh! What was that then? He's fucked for farting. Fucking. Oh, he's fucked him. Go in. Classic. That's well stocked, mate. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it on for a bit, but it's getting it back in its fucking packet though, isn't it? It's gonna be a bastard. Oh, good one. And that. Can't fit in yours. Dad, do you want to go Sheffield way and then one? What? Sheffield and one way, that way. Yeah, once we get to there we can use your sat-nav, can't we? Peaceful, I'm ready.
Thinking about the weather over Sheffield. Pissing down.
No? Well,
it'll be alright.
It should be alright if we can look, you know. Yeah. Grow up. Oh, he's going to start crying, Tom.
What?
He's going to cry. What are you crying for? Tom, put your bike over here, Dick. Whoa! Kicking your bike for? Yeah, Tom, you have to go forward and then back, Tom. Everyone's looking at you, Tom. Best bike in middle. Flat footed, Dad. Flat footed. Flat footed. Alright, I've got sat-nav in it, so I'll go first. Yeah, but yours is the long way around. See you in a bit. Let's get out of here. Oh, lovely. Dad, are you on? Has he turned his pat talk off, has he? Phone's in there, all good. So yeah, you can't have anything, can you not? So what's that then? Oh, look, fuck! Fucking phone just started ringing somebody then. What the fucking hell? What are you saying, Tom? Yeah, straight on there. So the guy with the top was at the back, yeah? Right. So we're 110 miles away, gonna get there for 6:30. Happy with that, yeah? There's gonna be a nice beer. Straight across, Tom, yeah? I'll get in front in a minute. Don't forget Tom's camera's rolling as well, so we can get some shots on the back one here. Yeah. You dick. It's 0.8 miles away yet, like. Oh, please slow down. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Yes, have a bit of that, mate. M performance no more, mate. Oh, 100%, 100%. Everything that looks of it, car's fucked. So stand there, be all embarrassed of being a bell sniffer. Come.
Here is drummer on 2 wheels.
Keep going straight here after the red light, obviously. So then we're turning right. So you want to beat these cars off. M40, Watford. You're going right up at the lights, yeah, so you need to beat this Porsche. Dog eat dog, what? Oh, bastard. No, go on. I was going to turn that camera off for the motorway.
Sit there.
Coming off here, Tom.
Which way? Heathrow?
M4, M3 it says. Yeah, Heathrow.
3 Heathrow.
Right, last 35 mile, boys. Cheer up.
Hello, Sam Shitty, ANC.
Intercom mode. Right, job's a good one. What was it saying? No motorways, straight onto M6 and M25.
Out the country, you got to do.
Yeah, I know, but it is what it is, isn't it? Just think how much not obviously better, but if you lived a bit closer to Folkestone, like 20 minutes away, you could go for Ant every fucking weekend. It's just so fucking far for us. No wonder you think he's always dying, by the way. You left the camera on. You haven't got it on auto off.
Oh.
So you're like 1 bar of battery left. So to save it till you get close to Dover. Here we go. Here we go. That was quick, wasn't it? Okay, now you're gonna have to fingers then, Tom, your map.
No, I was trying to get your legs out.
Yeah, it's pets in it. But if they put your jeans up like I've just done now, grow up, dickhead. I am. Alright, clutching you. Sweetmans. We have to go. No, go on, just get us out of here, which will be that way. Follow it round. So I'll get us out of here, then you just go ahead. Daddy, right, yeah? Oh, fucking hell. So with that fucking bag of wank, why didn't let me go then? No, why didn't it let me go if the stand was down? Yeah, clear. Oh, this is well quiet, mate. It's good. All he did was at the box. Whistle, whistle, whistle. Oh, well, don't trust me for me in there, look, it's just going to fucking fall out. Right, Tom, you're leading the way, Dick Sniffer. I'm going on motorway. Left here, Tom, yeah. Sweetmans. So you can just go straight off with the box and that, you don't have to clutch in and that, as long as you keep the power on. Oh, they got me dancing on my socks. Yeah. Do, 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 do. This is quite chill, this bike, isn't it? Oh, it looks sick, mate. What a machine! Oh yeah? Alright, Tom, go past us with some beans, whatever it sounds like. Oh, it sounds big.
So, it had been a long day for us all on the bikes, and I accidentally booked us the wrong type of room at the hotel. But, could be worse.
Took the room out. Look at it, man. Double bed, no homo. Watch each other there, be no homo. A bit of TV and Brokeback Mountain. I mean, Family Guy. What do you want? Oh yeah, Tom's got really nice feet.
It smells nice, actually, what?
Look peaceful, this. So it's 105 quid for 2 rooms for 1 night. So now we're going to find, see if we can find a beer. You heard you pulled up to death and that.
Ah, that's better, that.
Let's go get a beer, come on.